Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukan rat ke sangma hanin ka sngi thoding ka art phau tarik unai wing arja art phau lai ula palat patba ya palat aspa Tylli ki kali ki balamang na ka Bynta ka tnat Pulit ki kali ki kan thup ya phra phau Tylli ki bolero bat ki kampa shispa sau phau Tylli ki thuk thuk bat handriu Tylli ki kali khwai kini ki kali bat ki thuk thuk kin yarap ya ki Pulit ha ka let kawan Pynsted ha ka jing pendep ya ka Kham bat ka jing shakri ba Khambha ya ki patba Kibalaya dan lang hakani kasngi ki kan thop usambut Myntri Rangbah kampo yeng uba preston ten song bat usambut Myntri Rangbah bat snya bhalang dhar ka Myntri ka kot ka khya ka kong amperin lingdo bat kiwe ula pentip ru ba ka de gajing angnut jong ka sarkar ban pen kala jana ye gajing Trei kam jong ka tanat Pulit lingba ka jing pen biang ye gajing don kam baro bat kani gajing thet kali ka ba he du kan yarap ya ka sarkar ban ai gajing shakri ba Khambha shaki pat ba ka jela
So we are here in the police guest house, and today we have had a very important program where we have just now flagged off 80 boleros meant for all the police stations and different outposts throughout the state, and we have also flagged off 140 bikes. This must be and is the largest single order and flagging off and vehicles being provided or being bought by the police department in the entire history of the police department in the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that this will be a big boost to the overall infrastructure and the setup and the logistics that are required to provide good policing. And I wish them the very best. I would like to congratulate and thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, under whose leadership this has been made possible. And I also would like to thank the DGP, who has been a very key and important person to push this proposal through. And under his leadership, many such reforms are taking place today in the police department. And we hope that with all this work and all this investment, we will be able to serve the citizens of our state in a much better manner. Thank you very much.